Trello is an effective tool for team management, offering a clear and collaborative workspace to organize tasks, monitor progress, and foster teamwork. Create a team board. Set up a shared Trello board for the entire team. Name it based on the project or team goal, such as marketing team tasks or project tasks. Structure with lists. Organize lists to reflect your team's workflow, such as backlog, to-do, in progress, and completed. Alternatively, structure lists by roles, deadlines, or project phases. Assign tasks via cards. Each task is represented as a card. Clearly title cards. Assign members to cards so everyone knows their responsibilities. Add task details. Open cards to provide task descriptions, attach relevant documents, and include checklists for subtasks. Set due dates to track deadlines. Use labels for clarity. Apply labels to group tasks by priority, department, or category, making it easy to filter and view. Collaborate in real time. Use comments to communicate updates, ask questions, or provide feedback directly on cards. Tag team members for quick attention. Monitor progress. Regularly move cards across lists to show progress. Use Trello's dashboard view for an overview of team productivity.